Hello everyone, this is me Sadia here and I'm back with the bonus love read. This reading is going to be for the sign of Capricorn. If you are in communication with a specific someone that you really love and you really want them to come back to you, but you wonder, will they ever do so? Will they ever come back? Then this reading is definitely going to help you find the answer to that question. So in this reading we will be taking oracle cards and stay tuned for that. So we're gonna find the answer to the question, Capricorns. Will your person come back to you? Whoever it is that you want to come back to you, let's find out. Will they do come back to you or not? Um, Before I dive into the read, let me remind you it's a general reading. It may and it may not resonate with everyone out there. So always pick the messages which are resonating and leave the rest. For personal reads, you can always reach out to me on my email ID in the description box. You can also follow me on Instagram where I do upload daily readings. So Capricorns, let's find out whoever it is that you want to come back to you. Let's find out. Will they do so? Will they come back? Yes or no? Let's begin. The Emperor, Four of Cups, the Hierophant. Underneath the deck we do have the Page of Wands. It seems like they will. They will when they are ready to take your connection to the next level. It seems like right now maybe they have some other things to get done with. For some of you, maybe this person could have been married to someone else as well, but I do see that they might come back to you as well. Maybe you and this person were in a twin flame journey, and as this person will understand that as they end their connection with another person, they realize that you are the one for them, and then they will make a u-turn back towards you. um, for some of you, maybe the person, whoever it is that you are dealing with, they might have left you or the connection, or maybe you left them for another person as well, but now you want them to be back with you. Why? Because you love them and you have understood the connection that you shared with this person is something which you cannot share with another person. So there could have been some you know lack of understanding as well in the connection back in those times when you both parted ways from each other. But seems like there will be a reconciliation happening between the two of you, where you are going to be choosing each other over the other people that you might have chosen for yourself back in times. So I feel like, even if you chose somebody else over them, you are not happy with that choice of yours. Even if they did so, they are also not happy with the choice that they made, leaving you behind. So it seems like, they will be coming back to you. And that we do have the Page of Wands, and that we do have the Judgment. It seems like, you both are destined to come back together. You're gonna have a new beginning with each other, putting an end to the past. For some of you, or maybe for majority of you, you are gonna leave another person and come back to this person, or they are gonna come back to you after leaving a person. So there is going to be a reconciliation happening between the two of you. Let's see what the oracle has to suggest in this situation. But I feel like either they would have married somebody else, or maybe you would have married somebody else by the time when they are gonna reach out. Now, even if you both got married to different partners, you still gonna come back together is what I'm picking up here. So yeah, let's see forgiveness. I feel like you both gonna seek forgiveness within this connection as well. Maybe for some of you, you have not moved on because you are still waiting for this person to come back and to seek forgiveness in this connection, because somehow either one of you feels that the other person has done something unjust to them. So I feel like there will be this reconciliation happening for that as well. For some of you, it could just be a closure to the past situation as well. But for others of you, it could be just a reconciliation which is going to last forever, if and only if um, you both have learned that this connection that you shared was magical. So, healing. Imagine yourself and your beloved surrounded by light. Feel your relationship being healed this very moment. So, it seems like you and your person is definitely gonna heal the connection. For some of you, I feel like it could just be like I said, maybe you're gonna have a closure to the connection that you had with this person. Maybe either one of you parted ways from the other person without letting them know much about what was going on. Maybe you chose to move on from them, they chose to move on from you as well, but something was left unsaid, unheard. In that situation, I feel like, they, if they are the one who left the connection, maybe they will be, coming back towards you to seek forgiveness, maybe because whoever they chose, be that their family, be that their situation, be that their work, whatever, whoever they chose over you, they are not happy with that decision of theirs, so they are going to come back to ask for forgiveness. And maybe they are not going to stay with you forever, but for some of you they will be wishing to be with you forever as well. So it's going to be different, but yes, I do see them coming back for sure. Maybe for closure, or maybe for a new beginning. This could be the one you have already met, the romantic partner you seek. Again, it's a mixed message. For some of you, you're gonna last, with this person forever. You and your person will stay together forever. For others of you, this person might choose to basically move on after apologizing to you. Let's take one last card and let's see what it has to add to the read for you guys. Capricorns, you and your loved ones are safe. It's time to release negativity. In that situation, it seems like, they really want to have a new beginning with you. Your connection with this person is still pretty much there. For some of you, if they left you or the connection for their family or other things, not another person, there is a strong possibility that they would be coming back to you seeking forgiveness, because now they are in that position where they can take stand for you or for the connection that they feel for you. So maybe in that situation, they really want you to give them a chance and understand that, back then they were not strong enough to take stand for this connection that they have with you. So in that situation, they would really come forward to do justice to you and to the situation that they had with you in the past. So in that situation, I feel like, definitely the answer is a big yes for everyone out there, but for some of you it will just be a closure. For others of you, it's gonna be something which is gonna last forever. So yeah, that's pretty much it coming up for you for this read. If the reading resonated with you, do like, share, and subscribe. And if you are willing to get a personal read, you can always reach out to me for that on my email ID in the description box. Till I do the next reading for you guys, take care and bye bye.